Good morning, this is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and today we have the pleasure of coming to the ribbon cutting ceremony for Island Treasure Hunt. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please tell us your names and where you're located.
Gina Disabato,
Deborah.
and we're at 8600 East Oak Island Drive, Suite 2, to the left of Frosty's Ice Cream on Oak Island.
Well, that's a good location to be in.
Certainly is. We're very grateful.
Tell me a little bit about the shop.
So we're upcycled furniture and home decor, artisan pieces.
We find beauty in most things. We like to bring things home and revamp them and bring them in the shop and give them a new life.
Yes.
And you also have, you were telling me you do these wonderful Christmas decorations.
Deborah hand makes all of
They're
those
beautiful.
Christmas ornaments.
Thank you.
Yes.
I want you to look around here at this shop. It is absolutely gorgeous. And if you are in the market for some home decor, decorations, just some inspiration,
Yes.
this is a wonderful shop to come to.
Thank you.
Where you're having a big grand opening celebration tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Yes.
We're
Yes.
so excited.
Yes,
We finally did it.
Yes, we are having refreshments, and we would love for you to come in and check everything out. Go home with some treasures of your own.
And we have a big cast iron key. We're going to hide it in the shop, and if you find it, you unlock your own treasures. You get a gift certificate to use any which way you want to use in the shop.
Wonderful. And you've been around the area for a little while, correct?
About 6 years.
6 years. And tell me a little bit about what makes this passionate for you guys. I mean, your passion's here.
Wow, there's so many things. Like I will find something on the side of the road and pick it up because I know we can make it beautiful, and it's just, this doesn't feel like work. That's what they say, right? Find
Yes.
something you love, and it
Right.
doesn't seem like work.
I think beauty's all around us. We just have to open our eyes and see it. And I think what we do is really wonderful for the environment. I feel very proud to be able to make a beautiful new twist on an item and have it be in someone's home. I'm just really grateful for that.
Yes.
Well, we are delighted to have you as members of the chamber.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We are so excited to have you in our business community. And again, that is Island Treasure Hunt,
Yes.
located at
8600 East Oak Island Drive, Suite 2.
Suite 2. Please come out and visit them. If you can't make it tomorrow, what are your hours?
We are open every day 10 to 5 except Sunday, because even God needed a day of rest.
Remember that. And then you'll be closed Thanksgiving,
Yes.
but you'll be open on Friday and Saturday
Yes.
for Shop Small Saturday next
Yes,
week.
for sure.
So come on out and check out Island Treasure Hunt here in Oak Island. You will not be disappointed.